The Jaffna Kites Court has ordered to inquire the 9 suspects in connection with the murder of student Vidya for 1 month in Colombo under Prevention of Terrorism Act. Justice Lenin has declared this order during second hearing of this case. The senior lawyer T. Tavarasa has appeared on behalf of Vidya's family. Judiciary Medical Officer Myron and Vidya's mother Saraswati, brother Nishantan, relative Karthi, Kites former officer in charge of Kites Police Station and Criminal Prevention Division Police Officer of Kites also had testified today. The blood samples of the culprits and other 4 blood samples has been produced to the court today. The judge has ordered to put them for forensic examination in Colombo. In addition, the evidence that had collected from the place of Vidya's murder took place and the culprits were also produced at the court by the police. Our Jaffna correspondent says that the mother and brother of Vidya gone unconscious during testifying at Kites court during the case of Vidya's murder. This testimony has been recorded in front of the Justice Lenin Kumar. It has been reported that brother was gone unconscious when he was narrating the incident when he found his sister's body. It has noted that many human rights activists, lawyers appeared in the court today. The Jaffna also said that police has been deployed in order to prevent protest and violence. The report of DNA and the report regarding the escape incident of 9 suspects who had been arrested in Colombo later will be submitted to the court today. It has been reported that case will be crucial turning point today since the brother and mother of Vidya are going to testify in the court. An 18-year-old student as Vidya went to school on 13 May 2015 from her home. She did not return home after the school. Later, her dead body was found inside the bush, Ward 10 in Pungudidevu. She was raped and then murdered. In this regard, 9 suspects were arrested and all over the island protests were conducted demanding justice for Vidya's murder.